And the angle of the light that's reflected on the object determines the length, because the length of the shadow increases and decreases as the sun changes its direction in the sky. Now, all this physics is imperative to understand directly where to cast a shadow below an object when the sun is reflected on it. So this is why I find art intriguing, because art has expanded my mind exponentially. Right, in many different ways, all different ways. Or you have supernatural ways as well. You draw stuff and you see it manifests